Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Diamond Hill right now, and we probably can't show the face too long. And according to the caption, brown helps green. What does it mean by that? Because Diamond Hill to Home and Tin, you can actually... Yeah, we can't show the face too long. Kind of weird. And because Diamond Hill to Home and Tin, you can actually go ahead and do with Kwun Tong line, but you make a big loop. Or you do the Tuen Ma Line, which is brown, and you do down this way. So that's why I said brown helps green, because it's a shorter section, so it reduces the amount of Kwun Tong line passengers. So here we go. You guys see me? No. There you guys go. Yeah, there you guys go. And we'll do Diamond Hill to Home and Tin. Here we go. On a C-Train. D417, D418 for this train.下一站启德，左边的车门将会打开。Next station, Kai Tak. Doors will open on the left. Kai Tak. Spot on the right. There is a spot on the right. Let's go over there.下一站宋皇台，左边的车门将会打开。Next station, Song Wong Choi. Doors will open on the left. 左邊嘅車門將會打開，下一站土瓜灣，左邊的車門將會打開。Next station, To Kwa Wan. Doors will open on the left. What the hell is that stopping spot? That is a dreadful stopping spot. Oh my gosh. What is that stopping spot? Oh my gosh, that's totally off. That's so bad. Suddenly stop at To Kwa Wan is dreadful. Really, if you see a terrible stopping spot in To Kwa Wan, the video will end immediately. That's basically what's gonna happen. And we get off the next station, Ho Man Tin.乘客可以轉乘觀塘線，下一站和田，乘客可以換乘觀塘線。Next station, Home and Tin. Join the train station for the Kwun Tong line. Home and Tin. We're going to get out. Thank you for watching this video. Seeing a very generous and very helpful brown Tuen Ma Line helping out the green Kwun Tong line. And that's a terrible stopping spot. You guys just look at this. Just look at this. Just look at this right here. You see? Right there. Boom! Terrible stopping spot. Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Follow my Instagram and subscribe to all of my other channels. Links are in the description down below. Click on these videos up top, and I'll see you guys later for another If I challenge. Peace!